Hello, you are welcome to this video. Like I explained to you, so when you are trying to register a name with CAC, the first thing you are going to do is to conduct a public search. To conduct a public search. So why do you need to search? Now you need to search CAC registry to ensure that the name you want to use has not been taken by another person. Let's say, for instance, you have a name that you want to register either for yourself or for a client. Maybe the name is Cedar Enterprises. Cedar Enterprises. So if you go ahead to just register that name, the name may not be approved for you because it is possible that another person has taken that name. So if you see a name that you like it, you are not the only one that is thinking about that name. You are not the only one that love it. Other people somewhere, that same name is also in their mind, so they also want it. So if you want to register a name, you must first of all conduct a public search to know whether that name is still available or not. If that name is not available, you have to choose another one or you add something extra to that name. Okay. So the reason why you need to first of all conduct a public search is to ensure that that name you want to register has not been taken by another person. Okay. So in this sample, I'm just trying to show you how you can conduct a public search. So the first thing you do is to come to CAC website, which is cac.gov.ng. cac.gov.ng. Then you come to this part that says public search. Public search. Okay, just click on it. So I'm doing this with a laptop, so you can also do it with your phone. Okay. So here I'm just going to enter a name. Let's say Cedar. Let's say I want to use Cedar as my name. Let me do a search for it. Cedar Enterprises. So this you just have to overcome this and then select what is applicable. Said select all bridges. Okay, okay. This is another bridge. Okay, motorcycle again. Okay, it's just to verify that you are human beings and you are not a robot. So it's searching now. Let's wait and see. You just have to be patient. If you are trying to register with CAC, you must be patient. Patience and CAC, they are things you must they are five and six. So if you are in a hurry, you will not get anything done because you'll be frustrated. You have to really be patient. That's why that if you have a client, don't tell them that you will get their job done in within 1 or 2 days or 3 days. You can give them at least a week, okay? A week or more than that too. You understand? So, but it's possible that you're able to do it in 3 days so that you can buy yourself time. Okay. So we have our result now. Look at this is under a company is showing that Goodly Cedars. Look at exact one that we enter, Cedar Enterprises. So in this case, we enter Cedar Enterprises. It means that you can never use Cedar Enterprises again because that name has been taken. Okay, that name has been taken. It's no longer available. You can see Cedar Enterprises Limited, all this one has been taken, they are no more available. So this is under a company. You can search under a business name as well. Look at this. This is under a business name, Authentic Cedar. So if you want to use Cedar, let's say you want to use Cedar Enterprises, you cannot use that Cedar Enterprises again. So you can also add something at the back or at the front, like the way this person did. He added Authentic Cedar Enterprises. So your own, you can decide to add original Cedar Enterprises. You can decide to add a Cedar, Cedar, whatever. You understand? You can just add something at the beginning or at the end, just to make sure that you differentiate it from other names that are already existing. Okay. You can decide to put your name. Maybe your name is Femi something. You can say Femi Cedar or whatever, just to distinguish it from other names that are already existing. Okay. So this is how you conduct a public search um, on CAC portal. Okay. So you can search for something else again. Um, let me say, what name should I use now? Let me say Grace Venture. Okay, let me use some of the names that I've registered in the past. Let me say GB Meleki. Let's see what is going to bring out for us. It's still showing the previous search. So that's why I said that you must be very, very patient. Okay. Okay, let me enter from the dashboard. So conducting a name search is free. It's free. It's possible that you've met some agent that they say you will pay this so amount. We are going to conduct public search. You are going to do this. We are going to do that. Doing a public search is free. It's free. Just look at the way I'm doing it now. It is free. Nobody collects dime from you. Okay. But because you don't know the tricks and all that, they just bill you and collect money from you. Public search is free. Okay. It's still rolling. Just be patient with this. It's still rolling. Okay, we have it now. GB Meleki. I registered this business some time ago. So another person cannot use this name, never, unless you want to use a Meleki Ventures, if that has not been taken already. Okay, so this is how you conduct a name search. But let me also tell you that sometimes you may just conduct a name search. You see that that name is not available, that you can use it. Then you just go ahead to register it, or I mean to do a name reservation, and you just see that CAC already has that name. So this thing may not be 100% accurate, but at least it's 95% accurate. Okay. So, and that's why they give you choices when you are trying to register a name. They will say you can enter at least two names, so that if one has been taken, they can approve the other one for you. Okay. So this is how you conduct a name search in CAC. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.